Hi and welcome to my page. This is Lily and we've got Marianne here with us today, and we're going to sing this beautiful song called Along O Fia Fia, and that was composed by our Auntie Kay Turner. So here we go. Thank you for joining us again on this page. It's something and a privilege to have you guys always join us, so thank you. You want to subscribe to this page if you want to hear more of our videos, of our singing. And here's a link below this video. Click on it and subscribe to the page. Cheers for now.